Well, sorry for the slow start. This Friday just took a bit of a turn. Well, something a bit different anyway. So, my neighbour. Oh, we don't need you. So, I just got a phone call asking for some transport to move an aeroplane. So let's call it Friday Fly Day. So as you probably are aware, I live in Bunbury, and last weekend there was a small incident with an aeroplane that had a heavy landing, and they need to transport it to Perth. Anyway, I don't know a whole lot. Pretty sure it's going to fit as long as I tie it down right, because it's a bit tall at the moment, just straight on the deck. We'd be over minimum height, so we need to angle the plane down at the back, and the guys there have already done some work on the plane to modify it to keep it under width, so that's handy. And yeah, so lots going on up here at the moment, as there always is, because I'll fill you in on some of the other details in a bit. I'm riding high. I wonder if I got a new chair. That's those heights. I don't know how to adjust my height. Somewhere there's buttons for it. Anyway, got a new chair, and in fact I've got two new chairs, one on each side. They're both air ride seats, and we'll see how they go. This is the first drive in it since I retrofitted them. Anyway, have a slightly different perspective on things now. So we're going to go and pick up this aeroplane. Like I say, all I know is it's damaged. I know that it'll be tall in the rear end, and damaged on the front end, and so we have to load it carefully and go from there. So let's go. I'll give you some more updates in a bit when we're loading it up. So, hey, just down underneath. Just rest it down there. I'll lift it up. Lift it up or down, whichever you want to do. I'll hang on to it for a sec. You won't get that. There you are. Alrighty. Got a lift pump issue, I think. I'll get some air up. So, yeah, we have to deliver this glass. Yeah, so we've got this glass star on board that shaking too much. That had a heavy landing, and so it's got a little bit of damage. So we're going to deliver it to the owner at Jandakot Airport, and drop it off there for repairs. And so yeah, so just gonna shoot an hour and a half up the highway. And I don't know if you notice, I'm getting taller and taller. Drop this thing off. So that's what we're doing today. Nearly there. So in the last week I have fitted new seats, air ride seats with, let's see that, fold down armresty things down there. And then I've also insulated all the roof underneath, inside the ceiling and all the floor, and it is so much quieter in here now. And once we get on the road as well. And off we go. And yeah, so out the driveway we go. And up the highway I'm gonna go 20 k's up the road to the service station, do a quick load check.